Okay, let's be more proactive. While your financial advisor is working alongside you to ensure you are well aligned with your program, also take the time to talk to your general advisor about how to build equity while renting program and how it works. We must emphasize that what we discuss with you is merely a possibility. We do not guarantee any results or provide firm indications of the future value or equity you might potentially build. This is just purely for discussion purposes only. So if you want to be proactive, talk to your general advisor and ask them, how could you make this potentially work for you? Okay, let's get into some important details here and how are we going to make the rent-to-buy program work. So, how is the rent-to-buy program used? The rent-to-buy program, as mentioned earlier, is an expansion project of Sam Global Capital. The principal aim of this program is the raising of capital for our companion project, the Perth Farm expansion. The Perth Farm expansion is a central part of our integrated business model. It is a critical component of enabling us to raise enough revenue for us to make strong returns for investors. Once the capital raising is secured or finished, we will then diversify the investment portfolio into real estate. And this is where the rent-to-buy model comes into effect. Even though part of the greater expansion, this program will only be initiated on a case-by-case basis. Via the expression of interest process, it will be available on a case-by-case basis for early members like yourselves, especially those with limited access to conventional mortgage finance.